Hey A-level and FSC students, welcome to the Explainer. Let's totally smash your muscle energetics revision today. Your muscles only store enough ATP for a tiny 3-second sprint. So how do you survive the whole race?
Think of ATP as your pocket cash. It's basically a rechargeable cellular battery for immediate muscle contractions.
The crucial takeaway here, that ATP pocket cache runs out fast. We're talking a 3-second maximal sprint.
To keep running, your body literally taps into creatine phosphate. Think of it as your rapid access ATM card.
This builds the creatine phosphate shuttle. Definitely pay attention here, guys, because it's an absolute classic exam topic.
See how the enzyme creatine kinase swoops in? It rapidly breaks down creatine phosphate to quickly recharge your ATP.
Memorize this for your exams. This initial system is alactic anaerobic. That means absolutely zero oxygen is required.
Combined, this whole phosphagen reserve powers those maximal muscle bursts for just a brief 8 to 10 seconds.
Now beware of this classic exam trap. Do not confuse the alactic system with the lactic system.
Next up in our bioenergetic relay race is your larger, kind of slower savings account, muscle glycogen.
This glycolytic pathway shows exactly how glucose breaks down into 2 molecules of pyruvate, completely without oxygen.
Focus on these high-yield facts. Anaerobic glycolysis yields 2 ATP and produces that heavy, fatigue-causing lactic acid.
But for long-distance endurance, the aerobic system steps in as your marathon engine, using the TCA cycle. This marathon engine is crazy efficient, churning out a massive 38 ATP per single glucose molecule.
Check out these ATP rates. Phosphagen is super fast at 4, but aerobic crawls at a 1.
Here's another high-yield fact. ATP bonds store 7,300 calories, but creatine phosphate holds a whopping 10,300.
After totally exhausting yourself, your glycogen savings account actually recovers in a biphasic way, rapid and slow.
That rapid phase relies heavily on high muscle cell permeability and insulin sensitivity right after you exercise.
Okay, let's wrap up with a quick 10-second revision cheat sheet to lock this into your memory.
Think about this. If training increases your glycogen storage, how much faster could your bioenergetic relay run?